This is the Aurora 88 Nettuno fountain pen. It comes in a large black cardboard box. The Aurora logo on the top of the box lid. Inside is a silver wood case for the pen. It's quite large, well built, good construction. Has the Aurora logo on the top. Hinge style lid which lifts open. Inside is a black leather fabric or material with the Aurora logo on the top of the box lid. And of course we have the Aurora 88 Nettuno fountain pen. Has a marble teal blue resin, nice glossy finish on both that blue resin as well as the black resin on the end of the pen, and a chrome colored trim on the pen with the Aurora printed or engraved on the center band at the bottom of the cap. Nice large ball at the end of the barrel, at the clip. The cap is threaded and unscrews. You can post that cap on the end of the pen. There's an ink viewing window that's not visible with the cap on, but you can see that once you unscrew the cap. And it has a matching black section as well, matches the rest of the black resin on the pen with a matching 18 karat gold rhodium plated nib. Black feed on the nib. It is a piston style fountain pen, so you actuate the piston with the knob here on the end of the barrel of the pen to fill it. Also included with the pen is a bottle of Aurora ink and also a warranty and information about Aurora and about the pen as well. Great pen. Aurora 88 is just a great design. Made in Italy. Get your Aurora 88 Nettuno fountain pen at penchalet.com.